Hi. So, what style for you if you have to give a one word line for that?
I would say fusion. So I'm wearing Malar Vikram, and I always like to bring a twist in whatever I wear. So this is Indian from down, and from top we've tried to give this rosette kind of a corset. So just giving that little twist and that bright Fanta
And I
orange.
love the color. I must say orange.
You
My
know,
mic is also orange, and I love color
you
orange.
want cool or does it look too flashy?
I love orange,
Oh,
but I love
thank you.
Rudraksh and the spirituality with you, or the way you are carrying it. So, how you take that?
I feel very incomplete without this. So, this is me, a reflection of me. So, whatever I wear, however I wear, I feel this is just an asset to it, like I cannot imagine myself without it. So, you'll find it either on my neck, or if I'm not wearing something on my neck, and if I'm wearing a statement piece, then you'll find it on my wrist, but you'll find it somewhere.
So, in your wardrobe, what are the highest things you have? Shoes, hota hai. Sometimes you have bracelets. Sometimes highest number of what you have.
So I have bhar bhar ke clothes.
Oh my God. How
You
many? Can
ask,
you name it?
oh,
5 lakh, 7 lakh?
I'm not going to say at all. I have obnoxious number of clothes,
How
but the
many cupboards? How many rooms?
I have so many clothes. I am not a jewelry person. Like you give me gold,
I can see
diamonds,
that.
anything. I will give it back to you. I'll say it's okay, keep it. Bus dress khareed ke do. So I am like that. I'm such a fanatic when it comes to clothes. Wherever I travel, I shop. And it's not like only branded, but whatever nice I feel, however I can mix and match. I'm very passionate about clothing,
Okay.
and I like people. I admire people who dress well,
Okay.
and I like to dress
So,
well.
who's your stylish icon?
See, I basically don't have any role model as such. So at different times, people dress differently, and so I just pick, like for example, Rekha ji is a legend.
Actor?
Yeah, and actor, there are so many
Most
men.
stylish.
Oh, there are so many men these days who dress
You
so
can
well.
name one or two.
I don't know why a lot of people may think that it's too loud, but for me, Ranveer Singh,
Oh, wow.
yeah,
Okay.
I like it to be that bold, that loud, and I feel he carries it out very beautiful. I mean, very well.
And
Yeah.
then you've been in Big Boss reality show in Hindi, and now you're judging in South India. How was your journey like from north to south and in reality
Yeah.
shows?
So actually, I finished my South show, reality show Cook with Komali. I was a title winner there, and then I went to Hindi Big Boss.
Yeah.
And Hindi, that was my first ever.
Yeah.
So with the language, with the people, I mean, new state, new people, I was very, very, very anxious, and I was very, very scared. I had that fear in me, but I don't know why. When I went there, the way people received me, they accepted me for who I am. Yes, it took them time to first figure out my personality, but then they accepted me for who I am. So I'm happy, and the more love you get, the more greedy you get, no, to get more and more love.
So we can just ask three things to end of what style mean for you and what tips you follow in your daily life.
For me, style is comfort. So when you're comfortable, you'll slay any look.
Okay.
Yeah. And
That's
what
the
was
tip.
your other? Yeah, that's the tip.
And the lifestyle, what do you follow in daily basis?
Lifestyle, I feel I eat what I like. Life is just once, but I work out. I really, really work out. I have to work out. It's like brushing my teeth every day. I have to work out every day. Yeah.
Thank you so much. We
Oh,
don't have much
pleasure.
time, so thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Finish.